guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm giving you guys a new video of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill. This one is called Ring the Alarm palette. I have it on my eyes right now. You guys will see my opinion on this palette. This is also the new formula. I've never tried the old formula, but you guys, when I was watching the YouTubers talk about the old formula, I was like, no ma'am, I'm not finna do that to myself because I'm gonna be mad. But they came out with a new formula the other day, the 14th I believe, and I went to my local Ulta, picked up this and some other palettes, which I will let you guys know in the video what palettes I picked up. So if you guys want to get this look, stay tuned. So if you guys didn't know, I picked up the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Her Vault palette, I picked up Ring the Alarm, Dark Magic, and Armed and Gorgeous. I purchased the Ring the Alarm and the Dark Magic on I picked these both up at Ulta, and then I purchased the Armed and Gorgeous online because they ran out at Ulta, and I was like, really? I mean, at first I wasn't going to get Armed and Gorgeous, but I just kept looking at it, and my friend ordered it, and I'm like, let me go ahead and get it. I didn't get the purple one because I have a lot of purples, and I love purples on my eyes. So I was like, let me get something that I can do every day, which is Ring the Alarm, and just let me get something more fall, and I love smoky, so I thought, why not? Because I have a lot of purple, you guys, and I just didn't need a purple palette, you know. So this is the palette. This is the new formula. I do not have the old formula because I looked at the reviews, and the reviews said negative because they were patchy and some of the shimmers weren't showing up, and lack of pigment, etc, etc. So I was like, let me wait. The thing I like about Morphe is because they actually listened to the people that was complaining about the first batch of the Vault palettes, and yeah, so I really respect them for that, because they could have been like other brands and ignored us. So I really shout out to Morphe. And I bought this palette with my own money. These cost $15 each, which is a good deal. I think they had it on Morphe for $49 for the bundle, which is pretty darn good, because I think it would be like $60 for all four of them. And y'all, this palette is so freaking gorgeous. Like, look at this palette. This screams Kayla. Like, I love warm tones, and I just think this palette is gorgeous. My skin is looking better because y'all, I was breaking out like really bad. So I purchased the Clarisonic, the pore one, the pore head instead of the radiant head, and I think it's gonna be good for me because I wear makeup a lot. And for the outfit, so this top right here is from Forever 21. The lace is from Pretty Little Things. Earrings from Forever 21 or Claire's, and this watch is from MVMT for her, and they sent me this, and I'll have a coupon code down below just in case you guys want to purchase this watch. It's so cute, so girly, which I'm not girly at all, but I love watches because I don't wear bracelets or anything like that. And yeah, girl, they have sunglasses and they have watches. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll make sure to have the description box down below, and also my coupon, because I know a lot of you guys are going to ask where I get my watch from. A lot of you always ask where I always get my watches, and I think this one is the rose gold one. So yeah, so let's get started. So first I want to take my P. Louise makeup eye primer base, and this is in the shade 4. I love this stuff. A little of this stuff goes a long way. I'm just gonna take my Morphe E8 brush and just blend it. I think I'm going to use the shade Rush. And I'm going to use my Morphe E27 brush. So off the back, I really like how this really blends. I love that it has the names on the front, and I'm glad it has a mirror. So A+ for packaging, everything looks good. So now I'm going to go into the, and I'm gonna try to use not all the shades, but kind of like all the mattes, you know. Now I'm going to go in with Alert, and it's this nice orangey, like a sienna, kind of like a sienna color. And this is in the shade Alert, and we're gonna put that in the crease as well. But we're gonna switch brushes because your girl wants it a little bit more intense. So I'm gonna go in with my Sigma tapered blending brush, the E35 brush. And we're just gonna go below that. This looks really good though. Next, I'm going to go in with Mugshot, and it's like this caramel brown. Yeah, it's like a caramel brown. So I'm going with this shade and put this in the crease. I'm just going to use the same brush. So I said I was going to try to use every matte. So now I'm going to just go in with Frame, and it's just this nice plum shade. I'm going to change brushes, and I'm going to use my Morphe M433 brush. I'm just gonna go back in with that brush and just blend the top. Now we're going to go in with this dark brown, and we're going to put this in the crease, the outer crease and in the crease. And this is in the shade Secret, and it's just this nice dark chocolate. It's not dark chocolate. It's a nice brown though. But we're just going to put that in our outer crease and in the crease just a tad. And I'm going to just get the MAC. I'm just going to get the MAC. I got two Morphe brushes. Wow. I'm just gonna take another Morphe M433 brush, and we're just gonna use the chocolate shade. So now for the lid, of course I'm gonna do a semi-cut crease. And I'm going to use this pretty shade right here. It's kind of like a rose gold. And it's in the shade Lolly. Like Lollipop. But yeah, we're going to use this shade on our lid. So let's do this semi-cut crease. I'm just going to go back in with the P. Louise base. Okay, so since that's done, we're gonna go to our face, and today we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty foundation and primer. You guys, I've been wearing this all weekend. I'm like, oh my gosh, I miss you guys so much. I forgot how much I miss you guys. So I will let you guys know my favorite foundations: Lancome, Fenty, and Too Faced. Hands down favorite high-end foundations. Next, we're going to let our primer just soak into our skin, and we're going to do our lashes. So first, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Lash Blast Amplify Primer Mascara. More Lashes by Tiffany, and this is in the style More Life. These remind me of the Lily lashes. They start with an M. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you guys probably know what I'm talking about. But these lashes are so cute and so affordable. Now we're going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer Super Coverage Foundation. And this is in the shade Butterscotch. And we're going to use this all over our face. I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my whole face. So now I'm going to use the Covergirl Queen Collection bronzer. Haven't used this in a very long time, but I was like, let me bring her back out. blush, I'm going to use the Nars Blush in Exhibit A. And y'all, this is so freaking pretty. Like, come on. Now for my highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Jackie Aina Artist Couture in Le Peach. Haven't used this in a minute, so I was like, let me use this today. And I'm also gonna put that on my brow bone. I'm gonna use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean for my waterline. I'm going to go in with the Covergirl lipstick in the shade Champagne, and this is a cream and it looks like this. And I'm going to use my NYX pencil in the shade Cold Brew, and this is a lip liner, the Suede. I love the Suede. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the bell down below so you guys can be notified whenever I post a video. And the giveaway winner will be uploaded in my mukbang. I asked you guys to give me questions and then I will answer it, and then I will give you guys the giveaway winner. So I will be doing a mukbang. I don't know what I want to eat on there yet. I don't know. But I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.